Do you have potatoes and shrimps at home? If yes, then this recipe is for you. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be sharing how I made this delicious potato shrimp recipe. This dish is everything you love about comfort food. Crispy potatoes and juicy shrimps, all cooked in a rich buttery sauce that is absolutely delicious. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. So grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. Alright, let's start by prepping our potatoes. I like to use this type because they cook up quick and get that crispy edge we all love. Now I'll go ahead and peel them, and once done, I'll proceed to washing. Okay, you are free to wash before peeling, whichever one you prefer. Now after washing, transfer on the chopping board and cut them up into bite sizes. I did most of the work off camera and I purposely left this one to show you guys. So this is how you go about it, okay? Now that the potatoes are ready, we will season them up with some salt, okay? We want it tasty. And afterwards, you stir or mix them thoroughly until everything is well combined. Now, it is time to fry them. So in your pot or pan, go in with reasonable amount of your olive or vegetable oil. Drop in a bulb or half onion for flavor. Now, once the oil is heated, introduce the potatoes just like so. Now, reason we are using this frying method. One, is going to help maintain the shape of our potatoes, not to get soggy after cooking. Secondly, we are sure of getting potatoes that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. But if you do not mind, you can go ahead and cook them, okay? Here is the secret to getting crispy potato that we are talking about. So go ahead and pour in some water just like you're watching on the screen. You can splash in some water into the potato, okay? Do not turn it, just allow it to fry a bit before stirring. At this point, guys, our potatoes are ready. We'll go ahead and take it off the oil. Please be sure it is ready by testing it, okay, before taking it out of the oil. Moving on, guys, it is time to get the shrimps ready. So in a pan, I'll go in with little amount of olive oil. Once it is heated, I'll go ahead and introduce the shrimps. I seasoned it with a bit of salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. Now we're going to allow it to fry. We'll be frying on both sides, so make sure to flip at some point, okay? Another thing, shrimps cook quickly, so you don't have to fry it for a long time. Checking back, and at this point, the shrimps are ready. Let's take them out. Look at that. Beautiful and juicy. Now, in that same pan, same little oil, go in with your diced onions. Use generous amount of it and fry for a few seconds before introducing your ginger garlic paste. This is 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Pour that in and stir to well combine and continue to fry until fragrant, okay? Checking back after 1 minute, I'll go ahead and introduce the butter. I'm using 200 grams. Now that the butter is heated, I'll go on and introduce my seasonings. In here, I have a teaspoon of onion powder, Cajun seasoning, mixed herbs, and dry parsley. Because I'll be using chicken stock, I won't be going in with any of the seasoning like chicken seasoning. But if you are using water, please ensure to add some seasoning cubes, okay? Now, this is after a minute, I'll go ahead and introduce my chicken stock. Very tasty. Hence, I didn't go in with any chicken stock or salt. So guys, if you're using water, ensure to add seasoning cubes and a little of salt, okay? Next ingredient to go in is hot chilies. You will love it when it's a bit spicy, alright? So do not skip it. Now that our sauce is boiling, let's squeeze in a little fresh lemon juice for a pop of freshness. The key here is to cook everything in this beautiful, delicious buttery sauce. So my darlings, this is flavors just coming together in the most amazing way. Please continue watching. Now, this is the time to test to see if there is need for any adjustment, okay? Perfect. Now, let's reintroduce our fried shrimps, okay? Next, the fried crispy potatoes. That goes in. Now, let me seize this opportunity to appreciate you that is watching my video for the first time. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Ijoma. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops, snacks, and more. So if it sounds interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family, okay? Thank you. All right, let's continue. This is after 1 minute. I can tell you it is ready. But before we take it out, let's garnish it up lastly with some freshly chopped parsley. And just like that, you've made yourself pure comfort food that tastes heavenly. Please do not cook for more than 1 minute. As you know, everything is cooked already. We just want it to soak into this beautiful buttery sauce. Look at that. Look at this sumptuous goodness. I'm sure you're salivating right now. I know. Yes. Please give this recipe a go and help me share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out. And if you've watched up until this point and you've not given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Please like, comment, and share for others to learn as well. Thank you. And there you have it, my darlings. Our delicious, mouth-watering, tasty butter shrimp potato is set. Give it a go and let me know how it turns out for you in the comments. And also, don't forget to leave your questions as well. Alright guys, let's move on to the next stage, which is the best part for me, okay? It is dish out time. Dish it out with me, okay? Lovely. This is looking good. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking. Thank you for joining me in creating this delicious, amazing recipe. Oh my, look at this beauty. All that crispiness from potatoes, the tender shrimp in a rich buttery sauce. This is heavenly. Guys, give it a go, okay? A trial will convince you. And if you found this recipe interesting, go ahead and like it. Subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes like this one, okay? See you in my next one. Bye.